right, so this is very similar to what we did when we were finding the unit ratio. Remember, the unit rate is what a single unit looks like for that ratio. So if it's 10 to 1, then the unit rate is 10 because you're making it equal to what it would be for 1. All right, that might be a little unclear, but we're going to look at this problem right here. So the ratio of Isabella's money to Shane's money is 3 to 11, or 3 for every 11, $3 for every $11. If Isabella has $33, how much money do Shane and Isabella have all together? And we're going to use a date diagram to figure this out. So the first thing we need to know is how much goes in just one box. So remember, this is Isabella. Well, darn it, let's do some drawing here. Okay, this is Isabella, this is Shane. This is 3 to 11 that we saw here. And Isabella has how much money? She has $33. So she's got 1, 2, 3 boxes here. How much will go in each box if she has a total of $33? Well, what you should be able to figure out is that each box will have how much? $11, because 11 plus 11 plus 11 is 33. That means that our unit rate, what it is for one box only, is what? It's 11. So Shane, although he has more money or a higher ratio than Isabella, it's still only $11 for each unit rate. So that means for all 11 of these boxes, he will also have $11. Now pay close attention to what the problem is asking you. And you will have to draw this one out on your own to find your answer. But the question says, how much money do Shane and Isabella have all together? That's really important there, that all together. So see if you can figure out this one out on your own. Remember, the ratio is 3 to 11, and the unit rate is $11.